Welcome to my YouTube channel, Datacraft by Precious. In this video, I'll be explaining conditional formatting. So let us explore this very simple example here. I just want us to explore the basic component of conditional formatting, you understanding what you can actually do using conditional formatting. So let's start with this, explain what is there. We have the highlight cell rules, and this is actually talking about maybe we want to look at the numbers greater than a certain number less than between equals to text that contain a date occurring. We also have the top bottom moves. We want to know the top 10 items, the bottom 10, the above average, the below average, and all that. We have the data bars, the gradient, which contain gradient fill and the solid fill. We have the color scales, we have the icon set, and all that. So let us play around with something. Let us say this total P, we are playing around with. Let's just play around with let's say we're playing around with the icon set where you want to just know, since this is the first name, this is the last name, the time spent, the pay per hour, and the total pay. And let me just show you how I did, just for a recap, how I did the total pay. Total pay was just the time spent times pay per hour, and I dragged it down, just a form of relative reference. So let's take a look at the total pay, applying conditional formatting to it. In my last video I explained, you can check out my last video, I explained the three type of references, I explained the relative, I explained the absolute, and I also explained the mixed reference. You can check that for more understanding on referencing. Okay, let's move. Let's say we using the icon set and we want to indicate the ratings, or we want to use the bars. So let's use these bars. So now looking at these bars, automatically we know the one that has the ISP already. We know that 1380 has the ISP because the bars are filled up, and we have the lesser ones, which is the least one is 750 and 804. So this is actually very cool. So let's look at this paper hour. Let us explain that thing using the paper hour. Let's want to use the color scales. Yeah, this is the color scales. For data bars. Okay, we use data bars already. So let's use data bars now. Let's say we are using the solid fill or the gradient fill, anyone. So using the solid fill for this, also we can automatically see that 67 as the ISP per hour. That means Michael actually has the ISP per hour. That's Michael. Wow. So conditional format is very important for analysis in Excel. So it's actually a very key and important thing. It's very paramount. You need to actually understand. So let us explore the top and bottom rules. The top 10, the top 10%, the bottom 10%, the above average. So this is actually just to know, let's say which one is the top 10 items. We don't have up to 10, we just have, so let's say top 10%. So we can change it, you can change it to, let's say want to use top, let's say want to use top 60%, and we want to fill it with green filled. So the top 10% we automatically highlighted with the green fill with dark red text. So automatically we highlight it. So we have this. So we have this. This is actually just to prove to give clarity. It's going to just give clarity to your work actually. So let us explore one more last thing. Let's see if there's any other thing we have not talked about here. We also have new. You can create a new rule actually. You can create your new rule. You can format cells based on their values, format cells that contain and all that. So you can perform a lot of things. In one of my coming videos, I'll be explaining a lot of things on conditional formatting, on referencing. I'll be explaining a lot of things on charts and everything, even in a single video, whereby we just work on a comprehensive project and we get a lot of things. So meanwhile, subscribe and watch out for my next video, whereby I'll be explaining a lot of exciting things you need to understand about charts, you need to understand about tables. Thank you for your time.